Okay, we just finished question 40 about a glow-in-the-dark demonstration. We're ready for question 41, which is chapter 1 question. So you need to copy this question down. We copied it once before, but it's been a bit since we've talked about skin cancer. We've just been looking at light in general. So just a reminder, our chapter 1 question is, how does light from the sun cause skin cancer? Copy this question down for question 41. All right, question 42 is a partial answer to this. Skin cancer can happen when genetic material in skin cells gets damaged. Remember, our genetic material is DNA. Next, you're going to use the sim to observe how light from the sun changes the material. So, this part of the sim is very straightforward. We're on question 43. You click here to launch the sim, and then our steps are here. So, drag genetic material to the platform in the testing area, keep the sun as the light source and turn it on. Turn on show energy. Remember, that's in the top right of the simulation. Press inspect on the DNA to see how light changes the material and answer the questions. So, what changes to the genetic material did you observe, and how is it possible for light to change the genetic material? Include evidence from the sim in your answer and use the vocabulary terms light, energy, and absorb. All right, so pause and complete question 43. Okay, so question 44 is another simulation. This one is pretty straightforward. So we know that light from the sun can change materials. We proved that with our genetic material that caused damage. For this activity, you're going to use the sim to figure out if a light bulb can cause some of the same changes, or if it can cause changes at all. So our instructions, you need to change the light source to light bulb and turn it on. You also want to be in simple mode for the simulation. So in the top left window of the simulation, it's not here, but imagine you're in the simulation. In the top left, I guess it's up here, there's 3 horizontal lines. You click on those 3 horizontal lines and go to simple mode instead of complex mode. The simple mode only has 6 materials in it. You're going to drag each of the materials to the platform in the testing area one at a time, and you're going to use the light bulb and turn it on, and you're going to press inspect to see what changes the light bulb causes. In your table here, so like you'll first drag a plant and you'll hit inspect and then write down what happened to the plant. Then you'll try the solar panel, write down what happened from the light to the solar panel, and glass and aluminum foil and melanin and genetic material. So you'll test each of these with a light bulb to see what happened. The possibilities of what could happen are listed right here: damage, increased electrical energy, increased kinetic energy, photosynthesis, warmth, or no changes. So use these to fill out the table here. Finally, what must happen for light to change a material? So it shouldn't have caused changes on all of these. What must happen for light to change a material? The answer here for D is the light has to be absorbed. Not all materials will absorb light, so some of them, no change occurs. But for a change to occur, the light has to absorb the energy and absorb the light.